That's pretty spooky. I just found a recording cassette tape right in the middle of the woods. I mean, I don't know what can say on it. I don't know what can be on it. So, who knows? It's kind of just weirdo having a cassette tape right in the middle of the woods. I just left the woods right now too. I'm kind of leaving. I'm going to a little open spot right now. I can actually like breathe, and hopefully it's open up right now. And that's what I like feeling. Oh man, I do need a little air. And what the fuck? I don't know, I thought I heard some weird sound. So anyways, yeah, it's nice to just leave the woods too, because like I don't have a lot of mosquitoes. I still do. They're like killing me over here too. Oh, that's my life. That's my awesome space. I just love being here. As you guys can see, beautiful sunshine right behind me. And there you go. That's my beauty of forest right there. It's not like the quarry exactly, but it's very open, so that way you can like feel yourself. And as you know, it's like a woods, and there's just peace right here. There's nothing more, nothing else than just peace. So what the fuck? What the hell was that? You guys hear this sound? Hold on, I'm gonna turn this over. What the fuck? Alright, that was a motorcycle sound, but like, I'm not talking about that. Like, do you guys hear it? Hold on, I'm just gonna climb down here a little bit so you guys can actually hear it. Oh, what the hell? Oh, look at this shit. Dude, there's like jets flying everywhere. It's not even Memorial Weekend. Holy shit. Wow, what is that, man? Oh, man. Dude, those mosquitoes are killing me over here, too. Holy crap. Holy shit. I wonder what those jets are doing. That's like I never seen these three jets over here. Like, what the